I just realized why all the pooches are on this side and not on this side. One of them peed in the corner. So I've got to wash this out before we take it inside. Sure did. Peed right there in the corner. We're going downhill, so it ran all down. Nasty little babies. Y'all nasty. I don't know if you guys can see this far away, but he literally just drug like a whole tree out of the fire. And he's repositioning it. Did you girls have fun today? Did you girls have fun today? Did you? I'm telling you, this cage is absolutely perfect for them. I spent like $30 to $40. I have a review on my channel for when I bought this. And if you have pets, like little dogs, maybe even a cat, but this is perfect for them when they're outside. You don't have to worry about bugs into them. You don't have to worry about them running away, which I mean, they could tear that easily and get out, I guess, if they wanted to. But this is absolutely perfect for when they come down here on the land. And if they pee in it, I can just wipe it out and wash it with a water hose. So absolutely perfect. And here is the brand. I got it on Amazon, so go get yours. I am not sponsored. I wish I was, but this is definitely cute. So my review for it is 10 out of 10. This is how I transport these two. That's how I transport them. They get in that little bag and I carry them like that. And then little Misa follows me. That is how we travel. So it's time to go in, guys. There's fire still going. Ditch still needs finished. Mr. Gray's over here chilling. I don't know where the hell Glenn went. He went somewhere. Hope he's not in that smoke. Yep, we're calling it a day. Time to go in and do my household chores. Right, Misa Moo Moo? You ready? Babies, you ready? I'm telling you, they just swing. Over, get your last pee-pee in. Last pee-pee. Oh, you're doing good. Oh, that's the concrete. Little doggies, don't get near it. Jerry poured concrete. Look at Mr. Gray. Yeah. Jerry poured concrete into his drainage, and we're hoping that that will...
You can't begrudge a cat a pillow. He sleeps on your porch all day.
Come on, girls, get away from the concrete. How's you doing, Mr. Gray? I came to chill with you. Oh, I like this a lot better, how Jerry done this. Looks a lot better now. Looks a lot cleaner. Hey, Mr. Gray, how you doing? I'm gonna sit down here and chill with you and let the little dogs run around. How you like that? It's so pretty out here. Okay, so where the foundation is, we're gonna put a house there. That building is gonna be gone, and she's going to move it over there in front of those trees. We're gonna have a driveway somewhere around here. Mr. Gray's sitting here watching the little dogs. He ain't no killer. He ain't no killer. He's sitting here chilling watching them. Mom and Uncle Jerry said my mom and Uncle Jerry said Mr. Gray killed the baby deer. I don't think he did. But I still don't trust him around the little doggies, but he's done pretty good right now. Just sitting here chilling, watching them. Yeah, it's really... What are you doing? Last pee-pee break! They have done so good today. They have not peed on their pads, not once. But I brought them out like 3 times today now. So I gotta start doing that. And they won't use their little puppy pads. Y'all doing good. Misa, Sierra, get away from that. Oh, you're Lucy, sorry. Wrong dog name. Go pee-pee. Go pee-pee. You getting brave? Y'all gonna jump up there for Mr. Gray? Babies! Get down. He'll get you. That's too friendly. It had already been shot by now with somebody.
Yeah. Yeah. Come on. Come on, baby. Come on. Come on, baby.
Doing? What you doing? Roll over. Let me see you. Let me see your battle scars. Come on, let's see them. Let's see them. Let's see your battle scars. His face. Let's see him. Let's see him. He's got his little legs tore up. He's got big spots here missing. His face is all messed up. Look at you. Come on, let's see him. I don't like touching you. I don't like touching you. I don't like touching you. Don't like touching you. Tomcats at their best. Isn't that right? Why do you roll over after you get done making these funny faces, huh? Why do you roll over when you start making these funny faces? Let me see your face. Do the funny face like he's doing. Do the funny face like he's doing. Do the funny face like he was doing. That ain't funny face. Ain't the funny face. That's a funny face. So you can tell he's a mess. Hot mess, aren't you? You a hot mess? Is you a hot mess? Is you a hot mess? He is. You's a hot mess. You's a hot mess. Look at your eyeballs. You get more fights than anybody we know. Is you a hot mess? Yeah, he is. Our tea ain't too bad. Will you throw some of this stuff away?
Yeah. That bird's a dead bird.
They probably don't even know what bird you're talking about.
That freaking red bird you was talking about whenever we were digging the ditch. He finger painted all over my door.
So you're gonna kill a little bird?
Oh. Yeah. He did. He just don't know it yet.
So you're telling me the bird torments you, so what's he do to you? Turn that air down, you can't hear it.
He her and spreads it around with all his feathers.
And he looks at himself in the mirrors.
Well, you know what's going on.
Okay, here we go. There's some of it he's talking about from that bird. I don't think he's gonna really kill a bird. I'd be sad if he does.
Alright, YouTube. You want to see what this bird's? You see this and he spreads it all over the mirrors and the door. Everywhere. Everywhere. That's a dead bird.
Poor Glenn. My uncle's got scratches all over his truck from this same bird. It's just one bird doing this. Is he okay? Mr. Gray just came from out of the culvert. Little baby's out here, pee-peeing. Is he gonna be okay? Is it a rash? But is he okay? He's wanting to play.
Looks like he's been humping a log. Between his legs.
Mesa, come here. Lucy, what are you doing? He's a very lovable cat.
That's why I think it's funny to say that you can kill a deer.
Misa, what you doing?
What's next? A buffalo? Did you kill that deer? No.
Lucy, what you doing? I don't know why the little ones are here, and she wants to. Oh, I got my pants snagged. Snagged my pants. These are old anyway. She just keeps wanting to run away. Here he goes throwing rocks at it again. Thinking about what he's gonna throw at the bird. Got a lot of drama here. Lots of drama. Are you just gonna stand there, or are you gonna come back? I'm just gonna walk away. These two smart. They like being in the shade. She's gonna go in. I think she likes him. She likes him. Yes, she does. These two act like they're interested. They ain't gonna go any further. Lucy, come back. Lucy, come back. Come here. Either she wants Glenn or she wants the cat. Cat's right there. Oh, she wants. She's not acting right. Lucy! Come on! Lucy, come on! Lucy, come here! She don't listen. Come here! Lucy, come here! I mean, how many times I gotta tell this little dog, come here? How many times I gotta tell her? Lucy, come here! Why is she walking all over the property?
Exercise. Even though she looks like her feet hurt.
Don't she? Come here, Lucy. Let me check her claws. You tormenting her. Should I have the chair? Where'd Misa go? Is he getting you? Is he getting you? She wants you to play with her back there. Look at her, look at you. She thinks you're hurt. She's more gentle. Is he scaring you, Lucy? Misa, why aren't you coming out? Sarah, don't jump in my lap like this. Get, no. He said fetch, go fetch it. That's a stick, go fetch.
You would stick.
Sierra likes sticks. That's too far for her.
You want the twig? You want the twig? You want the twig? You want the twig?
She take it?
You got a mouthful of dirt, too.
You're gonna get hurt jumping on me like that. Quit. See, you just get your claw stuck in my pants. Quit. He just give you a mouthful of dirt. You got a cute little Lucy Lulu. Is he following him? You can't come up here. Quit. No.
I like Mr. Gray better anyway.
Do you?
He's more chill.
There he is.
I like how he's got a sign out here that says secured by Xfinity Home, right?
Is there a sign out here that says that?
Chill.
Look how cute little Lucy Lulu looks. Lucy Lulu. And Cece. And Misa Momo. He likes it.
My feet don't stink that bad.
Did you just get up and move?
Yeah, he pushed my foot away and moved.
Where's y'all's tongues hanging in? Y'all ready to go in? Do it again so they're all facing that way.
Larry, Mo, Curly, in the truck.
She's the only one. Lucy Lulu.
Feeling funny?
What?
Lucy, Larry, Lisa, Mo, Sierra, Curly. Spell Sierra with a C.
Come on, girls. Y'all ready to go? Cage, back inside. You gotta help me get them in.
You want to jump into an oven?